Adding a project and all its details, web version. Adding a project in Speci is fast and intuitive, both in the web app and the mobile app. You can add a project either via the dashboard shortcut here, or in the Projects tab, and it works the same way in both apps. In the web app, the quickest way is to click the New Project shortcut. Now let's fill in the project name. Let's choose a customer. And as you can see, we can add tags to the project, and this is a very useful feature. Tags can indicate categories, priority, or team assignment. There are no limits and it's all up to you. But these are very helpful because you can use these tags to make it easier to find projects later. And we will cover all filtering and searching options in the chapter Projects and Task Search, Filters and Settings. So moving further, I will add the solar panels tag. Now let's add the address. You might as well provide the GPS coordinates, order value, or the offer. You can also add a color to each project, and it's another useful feature. This color will appear in the calendar, helping you quickly identify and categorize different types of jobs. Let's choose a start and due date and add the description. And that's it. Let's click Save. And once saved, the project is added to the system. After creating a project, you can add even more details to it, and all information you enter is automatically synchronized and available to any employee with access to that project. So, as you already know, you can assign an employee to a project. So let's open the project that we have just created. And to add an employee, just click on the Employees tab. And now simply click the plus button next to the employee. And once assigned, the employee receives an instant notification. You can also create detailed task lists and assign them to specific employees. Add tags and estimated man hours. So let's enter the task details. And once done, click Save. And as you can see, the total man hours are visible in the bottom left corner. In the project, you can also add notes to keep your team up to date, and so can your employees. They can add notes from the mobile app, for example, for a coordinator in the office to make the communication easier. And in the web application, we can see who created the note and when was the last update. You can also add photos, for example, of specifications or the before and after documentation. And you can decide if the photo should appear in the projects gallery on your website by clicking this button. So let's add a photo and save. Another useful feature is the shopping list, where you can add materials, labor, or any costable items, and you can choose the status of this item to define if it's something you still need to buy or it's already bought. So let's add the details of this item and save. And now you can see the total value of the item, and you can see the summary of already bought and items to buy. All the data entered in a project, such as tasks, notes, photos, or materials, is also visible in the corresponding lists right here. These lists let you search and filter across multiple projects at once. For example, if I go to the shopping list and type cables, it will show me all the cables that need to be purchased across different projects. And it works pretty much the same in all other lists.